Well, hello explorers, and today we're going to do something just a little bit different. I am going to show you one of the ways I fund all of these wonderful travels I go on, and it is called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is where someone else has a product and you promote it and then they pay you. It's wonderful, and I have found this amazing system that is so easy to set up. This guy named James Neville-Taylor has this thing called the Rapid Profit Machine, and it is stupid simple to set up. So we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to set it up. Oh, and did I mention it's free? Wow. Okay, so here you go. So you're going to go on and click in the description of this video below. And make sure you take a moment and like and subscribe if you do. I surely appreciate it. And before you click off of my link or my page here, and you'll want to come back to this for reference. So make sure you keep this one open. So you're going to click on it, and it's going to open another page. And right here, it just tells a little bit of the story about James Neville-Taylor and how he is doing an amazing job. And so you're just going to put in your email address and hit Unlock Instant Access. And it should only take a moment. We'll try that. Okay. And now you're going to hear a little bit from James Neville-Taylor. This is the man who created the system. We're not going to listen to it right now, but when you click on it, I highly encourage you to go ahead and listen to it. And we're just going to hit the yes, I want the free rapid profit machine. And you click on that button, and that's going to take you to the third page here, which there's another wonderful little video by James, and he's going to tell you a little bit about the system. James has it set up to where you have to watch part of the video before the button shows up, so we'll just go ahead and let this video play. I'll fast forward it for time's sake. All right, we have the button now. So we'll scroll down here and we'll click on this button to get our free Builderall trial. Then you're going to click Register Now. Make sure you read all of the documentation before you go on. And make sure it says you were referred by me, Andrea. Fill in all of your details and then hit continue. And I'm going to put my name on the credit card. And I'm going to put my card number in. And it's going to yell at me. So you go through all of this and you hit Authorize Collection. Okay, and I just signed up for my free trial. So here we are. We just signed up for our Builderall, and now I do highly recommend you doing this and make sure you read everything on the screen. But for this video, we're just going to say no and continue on. It only takes a few seconds, and he's telling you you really do want some of his traffic source, which is true. And this is an amazing value. And again, go through and read all of this. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to say no and continue. And here we go. Here is more information about how to get lead generation software. Again, read this all, watch the video, but for this, we're going to just skip ahead and hit here. It is going to import our free rapid profit machine. So here we go. He is going to walk you through step by step. So go ahead and when you're doing this for yourself, go ahead and listen to all of this. You will need to open a new note in order to get this information. There's our new note, and we're going to import our free machine now. Here it goes. It's so exciting. And it's pulling in. Confirm. Yes, that's what we want. That's my email. And hit confirm. It's just going to take a few more seconds to get it all pulled in. It's actually downloading the rapid profit machine right into your newly created Builderall account. So it's just going to take a few minutes. Oh, and there is our confirmation. We have success. Let's go to the site dashboard. And if you scroll down here, you will see your rapid profit machine right there. And we're going to go ahead and click publish. All right, and here is the domain that it has supplied for you. You can buy your own domain later on. You don't need to buy a domain right now. They gave you one for free. All right, so there we have it. So let's go back and see what James has to say about setting this up. Okay, we imported the machine. It says once you're finished importing the RPM into your Builderall account, click and take the next step, which we have done. So we'll click this. Oh, clicking a little too hard. Okay. Required actions for this step. Continue only if you've done this. Download your system. Published your website, which we did that. Copy your solo ads opt-in URL. Okay, so in order to do that, you're going to go to Edit Site. And this is going to get you inside. So here is your solo ad opt-in. So you're going to go to these three little buttons and you're going to go to the website page. That's going to pull this up. You're going to go here. You're going to copy. And you're going to go to your notes and hit paste, which I already did that. So here, and paste. Leave some space. Okay, and then we can close this. Now you're going to go back to page 2. You see this? You click the little dots, go to the website page, go here, copy, go to your notes, hit paste. So there's page 2, and it says page 2 right there, so that's very easy to keep in track. Okay, and we can close that, and let's go back to our instructions. Okay, so we've already downloaded the system, published our website, copied the solo ads URL, copied our page 2 URL. So now we're going to, yes, we've finished this. Let's go. Click that. Now he is going to give you some more wonderful instructions right here. Make sure you watch all of the videos and read all of the pages. I'm only skipping them because I've already done this, and this is just for informational sake and time. Okay, so now we're going to go to the Builderall office. We might actually have to listen to James for this. He tells how to do this really good. So I'll click the Builderall office. And it's going to pull this up. And since we're already logged in, it should pull right into where we need it to be. Okay, and let's go and listen to James.
Congratulations, we have a few final setup steps for you to complete before you have a full machine set up, which would take most people months. And that is to quickly input our details, which are going to be pulled into all your pages, pulled into all your emails, and all of that good stuff. So we'll quickly do that now and just quickly get that set up before you can move on to your free training and the free traffic and all of those other good bonuses. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Builderall Office to open the Builderall dashboard. And if this is your first time here, you're going to have to select your country. So I'm in the United Kingdom. I'm going to scroll down to the United Kingdom, select my country. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my account on the right-hand side, come to Advanced Configurations, scroll to Tags, and then I'm going to enter some information in here. So the first thing I need to do is enter my from name. So I'm going to enter my from name in here. That will show up in my emails. And then I'm going to enter my page 2 in extra tag 19.
Okay, we'll pause right there and we'll go over here to Builderall, and we already signed in. So you go down to your account, which they have moved where Advanced Configurations is. So it's right here under where my little talking head was. So we're going to move me to this side. See if I can get that. Okay. Should just take a second. Okay, and we're going to go to the tags section, like he said. I'm going to scroll down here, and we're going to do our from name right there. And then this is where we're going to put our page 2. So copy that, and put that right there under tag 19. Just go ahead and hit save just in case, because we're going to go off this page. Okay, let's watch James some more.
So hopefully you still have that from the previous steps. We're going to grab our page 2 link and copy that into extra tag 19. And then once extra tag 19 and our from name is completed, we're just going to hit save right here. Once we've done that, we can connect our list very quickly by clicking affiliates. Please bear in mind that if you have a smaller screen, you may not see the tabs at the top here. If that is the case, simply come into menu and you can find affiliates on the side here. Coming to leads, clicking on options.
Okay, let's pause there. Okay, so we hit save. So we're going to go to affiliates. I think I'm going to need to move to the other side again. And now we're looking for leads. This just takes a few seconds. And there's our options. So let's go see what James has to say.
And then save email list. Now, it's important to note at this point that you can connect any list right here. We just have the leads list as a default list for you new members to be able to connect. Without having a list connected here, the automations won't work. And this list is the list that everyone gets added to when they join Builderall under you, no matter where they come from. We have a special tag which is inserted, which moves them from this list to your RPM Builderall list. So your main RPM list has 15 emails that go out as soon as they opt in on your front-end capture page. And then as soon as they sign up for the trial under you, they're automatically moved to the Builderall list, where they'll receive 15 more emails presenting the RPM members area. So this will bring up your different lists, and you just need to locate leads list and then hit save. And once that is changed successfully, we're going to fill out Mailingboss for first time use. So let's come back to our page.
Okay, so we're going to go here, go to options, save email list, scroll down to leads list, hit save.
Come to Mailingboss Office to open up Mailingboss for first time use. So when you're here, you need to enter your first name and last name and then click next. And then you need to fill out the name of your business. So this can be your name if you don't have a business. For sending and reply to, if you don't have a professional email, you can simply enter any email that you can get email at and then click next. And then you must fill out an address that you can receive mail at here. You must be able to receive mail at it, otherwise you'll break in CAN spam laws. So when you fill that out, I'll fill it out with my business address. I'm going to click next. And that is it. We are completely set up, fully done, and you are ready to crush it with the Rapid Profit Machine.
Okay, so let's click on Mailingboss Office. And I have already signed in and added my email address. So my lists. There we are, our leads list right there.
Now that you're done, you can come back and move on to the next step.
Okay, let's click the next step. Okay, enter the from name and page 2 in the tags. We did that. Connected a list to your affiliate leads. We did that. Entered your details in Mailingboss setup. I've done that. We've finished all that, so we're going to click on to the next step. All right, let's see. So if you want to send traffic to your machine, click right here. And then once you've done that, you can click here. So that is all there is to it. Now you just have to send traffic there and it will do everything for you. It's very simple and amazing. So welcome to the RPM family.